Here I'm going to talk you through solving the equation 16x take away 2 equals 10x plus 43 take away 3x. Now this equation is a linear equation. Notice that all the writing is on one line and the only types of terms you get here are x terms, there are 3 of them, and plain number terms. There are 2 of those. Now, we've said a few times in examples before this that when you finish off solving an equation, after all you're working out, you're going to end up with the line x equals a number, and that number is going to be the solution to the equation. And to get to this point, we need x to be appearing once, as it does in the final line, whereas in this question it appears 3 times. The first thing to notice is that it appears twice on the same side of the equation. Now we can collapse this situation to x only appearing once on the right hand side of the equation by collecting together the terms positive 10x and negative 3x, and that's what we're going to do first. So nothing is changing on the left hand side. We're still going to have 16x take away 2, and on the right hand side we're going to write a new expression, but it's going to be equivalent to the one above, which is why I'm not recording in a circle that I've made any change, like adding something or timesing by something, because I'm not changing the fundamental value of the expression, I'm just writing it in a more simple way. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this positive 10x and we're going to combine it with this negative 3x, and altogether that makes positive 7x, which we write in, because it's the first thing on the line, as just 7x. And the 43 stays. So now we have x only appearing twice. It's here in this positive 16x term, and it's here in this positive 7x term. Now in the previous video I said that the way you choose which of these terms to deal with first is you think about which coefficient would be furthest to the left on a number line. So if we consider the coefficients positive 16, let's put a 0 here so I can show you what I'm talking about. So say positive 16 is here, positive 7 would be here, so I choose the one furthest to the left, and out of these two, that's the 7, and that's the coefficient that I'm interested in doing something about. So that focuses my attention on the term positive 7x, and I'm going to get rid of the positive 7x term by taking away 7x. Now if I take away 7x on the right hand side of my equation, I must also take away 7x on the left hand side of my equation. So on the left hand side, 16x minus 7x is 9x, and the negative 2 is unaffected. And on the right hand side, 7x plus 43 take away 7x leaves just the 43. Now we have a simple two-step equation, which we can solve first by adding 2 to both sides. And secondly, by dividing both sides by 9. Giving us our solution, x equals 5. And we can check this solution by substituting this into the left and right hand side of the initial equation.